So in order to be successful in protecting the Bay, we really need to engage as many people as possible and uplift everyone who lives, works, and plays in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. And so the Stewardship and Engagement Program is how we bring as many people together around the Bay as possible. Over the past couple of years, the Alliance has worked with Bowie State in a number of ways. We have worked in collaboration with several faculty and staff members to organize professional development and educational opportunities centered around the Bay for students. These can include seminars. We offer a paid internship program as well. We've also worked with the university to plant trees and do other projects on campus, all centered around building that pathway for students to go from studying the environment in school to pursuing careers in the environmental sector after they graduate. So right now we're standing on Bowie State University's campus. We're standing in Peace Park, which is a conservation landscaping project that we worked on in collaboration with the university. And the Peace Park is really intended to be a place to bring together the campus community, both to honor the lives of bulldogs who have lost their lives while studying at campus, but also just to reconnect with nature and with one another.
I actually had involvement in the Peace Park as an intern at the Alliance, so it was really nice to be able to just come around and just sit and be at the park and be in the nature of it and to see it develop and grow in the short time that it's been established. One of the most important things I've learned throughout this internship is that these kinds of projects don't work out unless we have community involvement and community support. So I think that's really crucial to making sure that our environment can continue to flourish and develop and grow and improve.
So important to engage young people in the environmental movement as leaders because they're ultimately the ones who are going to inherit this work. Young people at Bowie State, as well as other historically Black colleges and universities, both here in Maryland and across the country, have such a wealth of experience and passion and knowledge that is going to be really critical to the environmental movement in the future.